Good day guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm teaching how to use the Island application right here on our Android device. So go ahead to launch your Android application right here on your Android device. Then I'm teaching you how to clone apps using this Island application. So this is the Island part of the app and we have the mainland. So how can we get app from the mainland? That's pre-installed app from our device straight to the island. So let's go ahead to pick a particular app here, and I'm going to be using InShot. So if I want to have InShot installed on my island application, how do I go about it? So if you click on the plus sign, you're going to see via Play Store, and once you click on this, you get this error code. So instead of doing this, there's no need to stress yourself. Like and subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead to get this off. So go ahead to open your Google Play Store here. I'm going to open my Google Play Store here. I'm going to go onto it. And the next thing for me to do here is to go ahead on that Play Store and search for the application here InShot. I'll be searching for my application here InShot, and I'm going to be installing InShot here on my island application. So sometimes if you already have the app installed, it's not going to take time. It's just automatically clone or copy that application straight into your island. So this is it. So I'm going to wait for time to pass, and I'm going to have my InShot installed in a few minutes there right on my island application. So once this is installed, you're going to have two InShots running on the same phone, and this is basically how to clone applications right here on an Android device. So this is how to use the island application. Wait for this to install, then you can run the app here on your island application. So if this video works well for you, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you learn something new, like and subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section. So this is it, and I can decide to use my InShot on two different places. So this can also work for different kinds of app here on my. So let's go ahead to check this on the mainland. So you can see it's right there on the highland. I have already a mobile football game installed, and InShot I just finished installing here on the island application. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.